Ooh, this is a dirty dryer vent. Look at how nasty that is. We're gonna clean this up. We're gonna use my old school shop vac. I've had this for however many years because this brings better suction. And most importantly, I'm gonna be using Sealegend product. They actually make great products for dryer vents like this. And I'm gonna showcase that to you guys and show you guys how to get this fully clean all the way up in the crevices in there as well, so we can get rid of all this lint that's in there. It looks like a lot of buildup in there for sure. I've had this dryer for about 5 years now. It works great, but obviously if you don't clean your dryer vent, this is what happens. You lose your energy efficiency with the dryer, and eventually it stops working as well. So we want to make sure you do that every 3 months. And let's get rocking on this. All right, let's go. What's up, guys? It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves out there. Today's video is going to be about Sealegend. They sent me some vacuum extension hose to actually clean out my dryer vent. I normally clean out my dryer vent every 3 months or so, but I've been slacking, so obviously you'll be able to see how filthy my dryer vent is and how inefficient my dryer is working right now because of it. And before we proceed to the video further, I want to ask a favor of you guys. I want you guys to actually either like the video, comment, and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm bringing quality content to you guys to show you guys exactly how these DIY projects are done. And I would greatly appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel or even share it with your friends to keep the videos moving forward. So let's get into the video further. I want to thank you guys in advance. Let's go. All right, guys. This is my shop vac. I did a review of this shop vac a few years back, and I'll put the link for the video in the description below as well. But what I'm going to be doing with this shop vac is, as you saw here earlier, I took out my lint filter that's in actually the dryer, and this is how filthy it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the shop vac to actually get that clean. It's gonna get noisy, but pay that no mind. I'll get to it. Let's go. Now that I got it clean, completely sucked out, the main problem is getting in here inside the crevice to pull out all the necessary lint that's in there. And obviously Sealegend created this telescopic remover brush thingy, and all you do is push it in there like so, and you're able to fish out some lint. As you could see here, it's actually very, very good to get all of the lint out of there. And also, they created this product here, which is a dryer vent vacuum attachment. And I'm going to open that up and showcase it to you guys. So this is actually going to help much better than the lint remover brush, because this actually is a connection tool. I'll show you. Now, let's get to it. This is how this works. It's completely silicone, and it's great. You take this off, and you plug it right in there, like so, and the silicone piece attaches. And from there, you're able to fish it in there. This is the inside of my shop vac after I done sucked off all the dirt and all the lint out of my dryer vent. So see, all the stuff here was in my dryer, and that's why it's important to clean up your dryer every 2 to 3 months, so to speak. And I use the same shop vac to clean out the vent as well, because you got to clean out the vent to prevent fires from happening in your dryer vent, so to speak. That leads to the outside, the exhaust vent. So that's that in a nutshell. Let's get to the other part of the video where I get to showcase to you guys the inside of the dryer in itself. Let's go. Just like that. You see how clean my vent is now? I can see all in there without any problem whatsoever. There is no more lint in that whatsoever. Look at that. Very, very neat, very, very clean. No more issues whatsoever. And that's what it's supposed to look like. And it's thanks to Sealegend that I'm able to accomplish that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave the link of this product in the description as well, so you guys can get you a pair. You can get the set, actually a 4-piece set, for less than $30 on this particular material here. This is from Sealegend. So you can get this vacuum hose for your dryer for less than $30. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe again. I hope to see you guys soon. Enjoy. Peace. This